I started with the basic lettuce, radishes, and I probably don't even grow that anymore. I have quails, chickens, ducks, turkeys, and doves. It started off as an income, but it's not much of an income, so I would say more of a hobby at this point. But I did start with chickens, and then the ducks came later. So that was basically for slug control because we must have the biggest slugs on earth. So yeah, so I always wanted ducks for that reason. The quail, a friend of mine wanted to give them to me, so of course I couldn't say no. The doves, I saw another lady doing it and I loved what she was doing, so I had to have my own. And the turkeys, well, they're just so dignified, I had to have one. They all have a name. Well, not all, sometimes there is twin 1 and twin 2. They look exactly alike and I can't tell them apart. Or Annabelle, Anna and Belle, so I call them Annabelle. And Abby Gabby. Yes. Come on. That's Priscilla with her babies. They have to earn their own keep, I say. So I do sell their eggs, but that buys their feed. I'm part of a group, a cooperative. There's 5 of us farmers. At the Spirit Square Farmers Market, we're all ladies, and we have the same philosophy on gardening, which is great. I'm usually up at 6:30, and I go to bed I go in the house after I lock them up. So right now it's like 9:30ish. I head in the house, watch TV for an hour, and go back to bed, or go to bed just to be up again in the morning. You're working for yourself, so you're going to work hard, but at the end of the day, it's for yourself.